Welcome to our summary of Florida local news. Today, we have two stories of teenage heroes who stopped very different crimes this week. Tracy, can you tell us what you discovered there?
Sure I can, Ted. The first story took place in Tampa. 13-year-old Ralph Black came home from school and found a robber in the living room. Earlier, I asked him what it had felt like when he saw the robber, and I also asked him if he'd been scared. He admitted that he'd been a little scared.
Well, I walked in and there was this guy, a total stranger, standing in the middle of the room. He saw me and ran straight out the door. I don't know why, but I decided to follow him, all the way to the library.
And this is what he said when I asked him how he had caught the robber.
It was weird. Nobody wanted to help me at first. The police only arrested the man at the library after I insisted that he was a robber.
Thanks to Ralph's bravery, the family got their property back, and the robber received a fine.
Thanks, Tracy.